he's at.
You boys were with Zawadi all day yesterday. How are you feeling?
Tip-top, Pappy.
Needles up.
Good. The last thing we want is all of Celestville coming down with the sneezels.
How are your ma and pa? They woke up all polka-dotty. So did my Nana. Cornelius. You feeling all right?
Prince Badou, I'm fine. It's just a tickle in my trunk.
Cornelius, you have the sneezels. You should be in bed.
Come on, we'll help you.
Ew. Sneezled.
You must take action. Impose a ban on this foul and filthy sneezing. Make it a royal decree. Better yet, make it a law. Is this a polka dot?
Ambassador, that is a pimple.
How can you be sure?
Trust me.